What is this? Type names online? Make money fast. Get Lambo next week.
I just made $300. What's up guys, Marvin here, welcome back to another video. So I've had multiple people reach out to me either in my comment section or messaging me directly telling me that they want to invest in their business but they don't have enough money to start. So if you're running into this issue, then this video is going to help you out a lot. And if you're familiar with me, then you know that we mainly talk about Amazon wholesale, but I did want to make a video to help those of you out that are still trying to grow their initial capital to then invest it into Amazon FBA. And if you happen to be watching this and you have zero interest in Amazon FBA and you just want to know how to make some quick cash, then this video is still for you. And if you happen to be from outside of the US, you can still utilize this method to make some money because it's available worldwide. So basically, this video is for everyone. Now you're gonna wanna stay until the end of the video because I'm gonna break everything down step by step for you guys. I'm also gonna give you the best strategy to get the most out of this method of making money. I'm gonna give you strategies that no one's really talking about so that you can have an edge over the competition. So let's get into it. So as you saw from the title, I'm gonna be showing you how to make $300 per day by typing names. And if $300 a day isn't enough to get your juices flowing, that's okay because this guy made $65,000 doing exactly what I'm going to go over in this video. So real quick, before we get started, the only things that you're going to need for this is an internet connection and a laptop or a phone. That's it. So you're probably asking yourself, how does this even work? Well, this is all made possible by using a website called Squad Help. Squad Help basically just takes businesses, companies, brands, and connects them with everyday people like you and I, but for a very specific reason. So let me give you an example. Let's say there's a new e-commerce business that just hit the market. And this new e-commerce business is having a lot of trouble figuring out what name they should use for their brand. And they're also having trouble figuring out what slogan to use. And they're also having trouble figuring out what logo they want to use for their business. Well, what that company is going to do is that they're going to go on to Squad Help and they're going to post what's known as a contest. When the contest goes live, then the users on the Squad Help platform are going to be able to join in on the contest. The company is going to tell you a little bit about themselves and what exactly they're looking for. So we're only focused on typing names. So let's say they're only looking for a name for their brand. Well, all of the users that are entering into this contest are going to be able to submit their ideas for a cool brand name that they think will fit with that company. After that company has received enough submissions, they're going to choose a winner. And the winner can get anywhere from $100 to $300. And you'll be able to know exactly what the prize money is for each contest before you enter. These are just a few winners from the last 7 days. As you can see, multiple people earning $300 in one day and some earning even more. And this list just goes on and on and on. And you might be asking yourself, are these companies really paying $300 to everyday people just for us to submit our ideas on a brand name? Yes, of course. These companies have money and a small investment of $300 is well worth it because this brand name is going to be the face of their company. And if you've ever tried to create a name for your brand, you may have realized it's kind of difficult. You immediately get mental block or you all of a sudden have zero creativity whatsoever. So that's why Squad Help is growing so rapidly. So far, Squad Help sounds pretty legit, right? Almost too legit. Obviously, I'm not going to recommend a website to you guys without doing my homework first. So as you can see here, there are hundreds and hundreds of testimonials on their site that they proudly display. And if that weren't enough, they were also mentioned on Inc.com as being one of 2018's most innovative company. But wait, there's more. They were also featured on Forbes.com. Ever heard of them? So this website's legit. It's actually been around since 2011, but it didn't really start taking off until recent years, which is great for you guys because you can still get in when there's relatively low competition. And the best part is that they pay you in cold, hard cash. Well, they deposit it into your PayPal account. But you're not going to deal with rewards points. You're not going to deal with coupons. You're not going to deal with gift cards. They're going to deposit money directly to your PayPal account. And Squad Help oversees all of these contests that you're going to be entering, so they ensure that you're going to get paid whenever you win. All right, so now that I've hyped them up enough, this is exactly what you need to do. So step 1, obviously you're going to have to sign up for an account. But step 2, you're going to want to go over to the contest tab and you're going to hover over it. Then it's going to bring up a drop down menu and you're going to go to active contests. From here, you'll be able to see all of the contests that are currently available and you can scroll through them to see which ones you are interested in. You can also adjust filters here. So let's say you have a criteria of no less than $300 for a contest. Then you can put that into the filters so that only $300 contests are popping up and you can enter all of those. And then the last step is you just enter the contests that you want and you jump in and you start submitting those brand name ideas that you guys have. That's it. But what is the best strategy to utilize this so that you can make the most money possible? So the best strategy that you're going to want to follow is something I like to call the shotgun strategy. You're going to enter every single contest that you can. One thing you have to know is that this is going to be a numbers game. So the more contests you enter, the better chances of making money you'll have. All right, but let's say you aren't creative, or you're just stuck and have mental block trying to think of a name for a brand. Well, this is a very simple fix. I'm going to show you a site to go to that's going to give you unlimited ideas, not only for names for brands, but also logos. So let's say you enter this contest and they need help figuring out what brand name they're going to use. Well, what you're going to need to do is pick a word that you think is relevant to that company. Something that is either in their title or something like this. So this is waffles on sticks. So we're going to use the word waffles. Now what you're going to do from here is you're going to go to namelix.com. Enter the word that you want to use into the search bar, and it's going to give you tons of ideas for names, but also give you ideas for logos, which you can use to enter more competitions to help companies that are looking for logo ideas. And then you're going to be making even more money. And that's it. Super quick, easy, simple way to make some money very, very fast. Now, if you need a place to invest all of your newfound wealth, then you're going to want to check out the video on the screen where I show you exactly how to get into Amazon wholesale step by step so you can 10x the money you've just made. I'll see you guys in the next one.